Hello everyone, good morning. Last night I stealth camped in town. Now let's move to a area where I can make coffee and start the day. I gotta make some coffee first before I do anything else. With the winter coming, I have been looking to see if I can get a small storage to store some of the stuff that I have in this van that I carry, and it's pretty heavy that I don't really use. For the most part, is the tools that I use to build it. I don't need to carry a skill saw, I don't need to carry a jigsaw. Stuff like that needs to go so I can make this van a little bit lighter because it's getting really bad with the gas mileage. Plus, I just need the extra space just for fun stuff. Yes. Because I'm going to be staying in town, I need to get the van washed because it's pretty dirty and I want to look presentable. Looking a lot better. Let's see how long it lasts because I'm gonna go for a hike. There's gonna be dirt, so we'll see. Hey guys, how's it going? Well, today is my lucky day and your lucky day. Because we get to see wildlife after all. All right, let's get some miles and maybe I can see some more wildlife and I don't get attacked by flies. First things first, hiking shoes. There are a lot of things back here, hence I need to find a storage unit, and I think I found one. I actually booked one and I found a good price. It kind of sounds too good to be true because the first one I was looking for, it was the smallest one. It was like a 5x5, 5 feet by 5 feet by 8 feet tall, and it was $100 a month. And I was like, wow. And then I looked more and it was 100 and something somewhere else. And I found this one for 31. There's a lot of stuff in here. Lately, I've been complaining that it's too hot to go hiking. Well, not anymore, so I have no excuse. I need to go hiking. I need exercise. Actually, I'm starting to like exercise. This is my first time in a while going for a hike. There's a lot of poops on trail. I'm not gonna show you, but leads me to believe that there's a lot of wildlife out here. I'm thinking foxes, raccoons, some coyotes, and of course they have warnings of mountain lions. There's a road not far by, the road that I came on. It's time to head back to the van. It's past noon. I need some food. I'll see you there. I'm kind of on the fence what I should make to eat. I haven't made ramen in a while. I've been making tacos, and I am craving tacos, but I am craving ramen as well. Maybe I'm just hungry from the trail. Let's see how many steps I got. It's probably not that many. Only 5,000. I mean, that's throughout the whole day. I'm guessing by the end of the day, at least I'll have 7,000, which is not a lot, but it's better than nothing, so I'll take it. All right, it's gonna be ramen. I haven't had it in a while. I had tacos all the time, so gonna make some of that. ramen just felt like the right choice here today. You know how much I love my ramen. I got some chili pepper that I get from a Japanese store. That's the same store that I actually get the curry cubes that you see that I put in, 1 cube. And makes it so much more delicious. A little sparkling water. I know it's not traditional, but I just put an egg right in it. I like the way it looks and it tastes pretty good. You know, this is one of the things that I'm excited about when the cold weather comes in, is ramen. I could eat this all day, every day, which I usually do eat all day, every day. I just hung out a bit, read a book, well, read part of a book. Right now it's around 3:15 and I'm gonna go see if I can find a place to park for tonight or camp for tonight. And that's kind of it for this video. I will see you in the next one.